Welcome, tech guys, to another exciting episode on our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of premium computing with the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5 latest laptop from Lenovo. Let's explore what makes this laptop amazing. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description, and you can buy this laptop at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So, let's start the video. At the heart of the Ideapad Slim 514i MH9 is its powerhouse of a processor, the Intel Core Ultra 5 125H, with speeds ranging from 3.6 to 4.5 GHz, and a PL2 of 64W for short bursts of performance and a sustained PL1 of 40W. This processor ensures seamless multitasking, smooth performance, and blazing fast responsiveness for all your computing needs. Feast your eyes on this beauty. The Ideapad Slim 514i MH9 features a 14-inch 1610 OLED display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. With a pixel density of 162 ppi and HDR support, colors are vivid, blacks are deep, and details are crisp, making it perfect for content creation, multimedia consumption, and everything in between. Typing on the Ideapad Slim 5 is a pleasure thanks to its comfortable and responsive backlit keyboard. Whether you're working late into the night or in dimly lit environments, the illuminated keys ensure that you can type with accuracy and precision. And with its spacious trackpad, navigation feels natural and intuitive. Let's talk connectivity. The Ideapad Slim 5 is equipped with a range of ports, including USB Type-C, HDMI, and more. Whether you're connecting external displays, peripherals, or storage devices, you'll have everything you need to stay productive and connected. Now, despite its powerful internals, the Ideapad Slim 514i MH9 is incredibly portable, weighing in at just 1.446 kilograms. Whether you're commuting to work, traveling for business, or simply moving from room to room, this laptop is designed to keep up with your on-the-go lifestyle without weighing you down. And the best part? All of this power and performance comes at a surprisingly affordable price point. At just $1,000, the Ideapad Slim 514i MH9 offers incredible value for money, making it an attractive option for professionals, students, and anyone in need of a reliable and versatile laptop. So there you have it, folks, the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5, a perfect blend of power, portability, and affordability. Whether you're tackling demanding tasks, enjoying multimedia content, or staying connected on the go, this laptop has you covered. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, happy computing.